Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing some stress ball cut open stress balls. I have 3 cool stress balls. These are homemade from my Lucas. Yes. So without further ado, let's get some scissors and start cutting these things open. This one feels like liquid. This feels solid, look, a bit solid. And this one feels a bit sloppy. Okay, so let's get so I'm going to do this one. And Lucas, you can choose what you would like to do. You have to wait until I finish mine because you have to cut them onto the plate. Get the container for the slime on with whatever's inside of it. Oh my guys. So let's cut open this plastic bag. Container. So do you know because you made these? Yeah. Is there slime inside? Oh my god, there is. I put slime in all. I could have tidied it all out of it. Oh my god. Just blood. I snacked to make this. I used the sandwich bags. I helped him make them because if he got told off on his own then he would be dead. Very dead. I bet my dad would kill me. He'd be a dead chicken, never mind a dead flicking chicken. Whoa! No, stop. I'm going to shoot you in a minute. Excuse me? How am I a loser? So I'm going to cut this. Should I cut it? This one is slime, it's very sloppy. Very juggly. Very wobbly. I've never been on a YouTube video. I have been on one of Grace's channels. It's the same channel, you absolute tithole. Oh my god guys, there's so much slime. Sticky. Did you use too much? Did you not put activator in there? No. Oh, you absolute bumhole. Get off me. No. I'm going to put activator in there. So big, my slime. Yeah. I think it's Grace though. No, I just put it back slime. No, it's not. It's actually store-bought slime. You bought it and then put it into stressful, so don't lie to my YouTube channel. I like it. My YouTube channel don't like liars, do we guys? Comment down below if you're a liar. Yeah. Here's a close up. I'm going to show you a close up when I get it all out. Or you can lift it up, turn the camera around and come on then. Come on then. My cameraman, BB, my cameraman. Guys, there you go. You can't see. What? Turn it around again. Take my iPad out of its case. Okay. 1 minute, guys. I need to do it. Yeah, please. Let's get the rest of the slime out of there. Oh! I forgot. Oh, Lucas, look. Put the bag in the bin over there. I've got slime everywhere, guys. On my fingernails and everything. You just stood in slime. You stood in this bit. No. Damn it. Damn it, Daniel. Damn it. This is what the slime looks like. Let go. Let go. Grace. Grace, I'm still touching the camera. Slime. Slime is so good. Wow. So sticky. Oh my god, this slime. I forgot to put it in. I run down, sir. There you go. Oh wait, you just roll your hands inside of the slime and then it'll just come off. And then you just put it down. yeah.
I run out of, what is it called again?
Activator.
Activator.
So we had to go buy some slime.
I made these two. Well, Grace made this unicorn poop. I'm going to call it the unicorn poop. Hashtag unicorn poop. Beautiful. And then we have the slime of Affinity. It's a glow in the dark.
So this is the. I'm literally facing the camera onto the slime right now. So can you please get off so I can do a slime?
Okay.
Get off.
Okay.
It's like so sick. Stop doing it.
I'll slam you in a minute. Everyone's comment down below if you love slime.
Oh my god, slime is a new trend. Everybody loves slime. If you don't like slime, then I don't know.
You're new. Hashtag fabulous slime. Hashtag unicorn puke.
Go and get. Also, I've got a slime review to do. So go into the bedroom and go and get the blue slime, the clay slime off of the side.
The slime is so sticky.
That isn't in a stressful. I'm just going to do a slime review because that's my favourite slime. So, guys, what do you think about this slime? Rate it from 1 to 10. I don't like these kind of slimes because, like, that noise. Big slime dot. Okay, so let's get cutting. Okay, guys, so let's get cutting open the next one. So that'll be the next slime review. No, you can't show me the slime yet. Okay, so we've done this one. We're now putting that into the container, and we're going to cut open the next one. I'm going to cut open this pink sparkle.
Wait, can I cut on my green then?
Not yet. No! The green! Ah.
Oh yeah, tell them what happened to my phone.
You!
Well, basically at school, my phone got elbowed, this one. I think I pushed one of my bones to one of my sides.
See, I'm going to take you for an x-ray later with Nanny. So. Oh, that was an easy take out. Oh, this slime is so cool. I'm going to do some poking now.
Got full slime.
Stop making noises.
And that's into the feet.
Okay, so that is this unicorn slime? Unicorn poo slime,
Yeah.
I'm going to call it. And we're just going to do some stretches to show you.